Hello student, please subscribe my channel, like and share my video. Thank you for watching. Get set and go practice. Common name and IUPAC naming of monocarboxylic acid we are discussing here, and at the bottom we discussed about dicarboxylic acid also. HCOH is formic acid, methanoic acid. Formula is written. CH3COH is acetic acid. It is also known as ethanoic acid. CH3 C double bond OH. CH3 CH2COH propanoic acid. 3 carbon acid propanoic acid. 4 carbon acid butyric acid. Common name. IUPAC name here 4 carbon, so butanoic acid, propanoic acid, because all are single alkyl group backbone is having single bonded, so that is why butanoic acid. Noic means COH group is ended with noic. Okay, now here CHO-COH is there, so here it is glyoxylic acid and it is known as formyl methanoic acid. One name is this, and in some country it is called 2-oxoethanoic acid, because they are taking this oxo group 2-1 and this is 2 carbon they are considering, and then it will be 2-oxoethanoic acid. Now CH3CHBr-COOH, this is alpha carbon, this is beta carbon, so alpha bromo, how many carbon? 3. So propionic acid. Common name, IUPAC naming. In IUPAC naming only propanoic acid will be there, and rest is 2-bromo propanoic acid. Now this CH3CHCN-COH, here it is alpha cyano propanoic acid, here propionic, here propanoic. Okay, now here only enoic, here propanoic acid. Now in this case isovaleric acid, very important. Here iso grouping is there, total 5 carbon, so it will be actually 4, this 1 2 3 methyl butanoic acid. Now at gamma position, this is adjacent to carboxylic group alpha carbon, beta carbon, gamma carbon, so common name will be gamma amino butyric acid, but IUPAC 4-amino butanoic acid. Here this is formyl group, so we consider 1 2 3 like this. Okay, so this is alpha formyl propanoic acid or 3-formyl propanoic acid, you can also say. Now this is CH3COCOH, very important, pyruvic acid. 2, this is alpha oxopropanoic acid or alpha ketopropanoic acid. Carbon is included in the backbone, so it will be also known as 2-oxopropanoic acid. This is IUPAC naming. CH3CHOH COH, this is lactic acid, alpha hydroxypropionic acid or 2-hydroxypropanoic acid. Now here 3 carbons are carboxylic group are attached, so 1, 2, 3 propane, 1, 2, 3 tricarboxylic acid, and this is 1 oxoethyl